Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we talk about self-improvement, personal growth, and all things related to the power of the mind. Today's topic is all about the subconscious mind and its one subconscious mind works and how it can change your life. In this video, we will explore the amazing power of your subconscious mind and how you can use it to achieve your goals and improve your life. Before we start the video, hit the subscribe button and also like the video. So, what is the subconscious mind? The subconscious mind is the part of your mind that operates below your conscious awareness. It controls your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors, and it plays a huge role in shaping your life. The power of your subconscious mind lies in its ability to influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions, even when you're not aware of it. Many people underestimate the power of their subconscious mind, but it can do wonders if you learn to harness it. It's like a giant storage room where all your memories, experiences, and beliefs are kept. And when you tap into this vast resource, you can transform your life in amazing ways. One of the most powerful things your subconscious mind can do is manifest your desires. When you focus your thoughts and emotions on what you want, your subconscious mind will work to make it a reality. It's like having your own personal genie who can grant your wishes if you ask for them in the right way. Another amazing thing about the subconscious mind is that it can help you overcome fears and limiting beliefs. These are often deeply ingrained in our minds and can hold us back from achieving our goals. But when you reprogram your subconscious mind with positive beliefs and affirmations, you can break free from these limitations and achieve anything you want. In conclusion, the power of your subconscious mind is truly remarkable. It has the ability to transform your life in ways you never thought possible. If you want to learn more about how to harness the power of your subconscious mind, we highly recommend the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. You can find a link to buy the book in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal growth and self-improvement.